Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share, and like. And Best Car Fixes, where the past, present, and the future of car and diagnostic technology. Today we have a BMW X5 with a noise, like a stifling noise, whenever the car is running. And it happens all the time when you change the valve cover gasket, or not even you don't change it. What we have here is this piece here. This is the valve cover gasket, the new one for this engine, which will replace the old one. You don't need to change the gasket itself. You see the gasket which is here. Do not open and change only the gasket. It will not work. This one, they brought it in with all modification inside. Just as advice, everything is inside here, and you will get a noise, say see, whenever you start the car. This must be replaced. Do not open the car and just change the gasket. You see this gasket here? Don't change that. Here is the car. That's the valve cover gasket. Everything has to come out of it. You see the same thing? Everything has to come out of it, you see here. But because the CVT is built inside here, right? You see, everything is built inside, so you don't need to just take out the old one and say you're gonna, because they say that it's like a when you take it out, Raymond, when you take the old one out, it comes, say, like it's bent or it never sit down the way it is, right? So they come with the upgrade and modified one, that which is work fine into your car. So in order for you to take it, be sure that to follow all the steps. Take all this, you need to make a room there. As you see here, I will follow with him. Disconnect. This X Century, after you take it, you just take it and put it back, right?
No, I have a new one.
Yeah, he have a new X Century?
Yeah.
That have to be coded, right?
Huh?
Have to be reset it, right?
No.
Yeah? Just plug it.
Just this take out the chain. This
No, you want to change the seal.
Just the seal.
You're not going to change the motor.
No.
Oh, so this is the seal. Okay, so don't forget to put this seal too. And you don't need to lose it, right?
No. Just close this and put the seal up.
Oh, so everything is stay there?
Yeah, stay there. Yeah.
Oh, so this one is stay inside.
Yeah,
you don't need to
there.
change.
You don't need to
That's good, yeah. So you don't need to do anything. So it's here. I put it here. Don't forget. You take the fuel rail already out.
Yeah. Let those over there.
Here is the thing that we took them out. If you take those things, try to put them together in a good place so you don't miss. Don't try to put it here, and then you get mixed everything. Here is some of the stuff. The cabin filter, the air filter, intake manifold. Oh. Also, I just want to tell my friends that sometimes, you see that drainer here? This drainer here, please try to clean it out. Don't let this stuff go inside there. Because that drainer, it's got water can rise up all the way here and messed up this module. You see that electrical module there? Be sure that this place is good, because that module, when water get into it, it messed up and it can burn your computer too. So let's go. You don't need to take this one out, right?
Yeah, I will have to lose that because.
Which one you got? The wiring harness?
No, I will have to, when I lose this here, I'm gonna be able to.
Have a space.
Yeah, have some.
The bracket, right?
Yeah.
The aluminum bracket.
Yeah.
Oh, the light is not there. This is an idea. What engine size is this?
Usually be 3.0.
And even for, yeah. You have to turn it or you just go out?
Yes,
Yes, you see even the oil try to come out from there. This is the X Century. If you change it, you have to program it too. So now is the time to take the cover, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna start.
You have to take the ground, or those wire ground, you don't, or you're gonna leave them there. You have to take
Yeah,
all
I have
this,
to move this.
and also the ground.
This
You have to lose the ground and the
Yeah.
injector wires.
Yeah, I have to move the ground. Yeah.
So after we open all the wires, we take all the injectors. We will come back.
Okay.